Hi y'all, my name is Rebecca. Welcome to my channel. I am an activities program and events director for a skilled care nursing facility in Southwest Missouri, and I am working on Halloween. And this year, our theme is going to be Halloween at the Hop. The party and the decorations are going to be 50s themed, and last year, I uploaded a video of DIY stanchions that I had made for our Halloween party last year. And I had the stanchions in storage, and I promised my boss I would clean out my storage unit because it's starting to accumulate 5 years of, I don't want to throw that away because I might use it later kind of thing. I know that's how hoarding starts, but I really do use what I have. But I needed to clear some things out, so I'm crafting with what I had. I will link the video to the DIY stanchions down below so you can see exactly what I used to make these. But I'm slipping black pool noodles over the plant stakes instead of the silver ones. And then I ordered a 4-pack of retro microphones off of Amazon. They came in a 4-pack for somewhere around $20. So I'm going to take the base off of those and then slip the microphones inside the pool noodle. What I'm going to use for my speaker wire is deco mesh tubing. Back in the day, everything was corded. We were attached by wires to literally everything. There were no digital wireless conveniences back then. So for those of you who may not remember, when you pulled into a drive-in movie theater, you found your parking spot, you took the speaker off of the stand, you attached it to your car window, and the movie would play, and then when the movie was finished, you would remove the speaker and put it back over onto the stand. Lord mercy, even drive-ins have changed. It's tuning into a radio station, playing it on a Bluetooth speaker. It's all the things. It's lost a little bit of its vintage charm, but I'm going to slip the tubing inside the pool noodle. I will stabilize this with some hot glue and then put my microphone down inside so that this looks like vintage drive-in car speakers. I've got some classic cardboard cutouts that I'm going to style this speaker stand with, and this is going to be part of my decorations for Halloween at the Hop. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so that you know when I've uploaded my next video, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you ever so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.